Hello everyone. In this short video, we'll see how to use a surface profile gauge. This is also called surface roughness tester, and the model that we'll be using is SRT6100. So this is the main instrument. Let's see different parts of this instrument. This is the front side. On the back side, you have to load the battery and make sure that the battery is fully charged when you're using this instrument. On the bottom side of this instrument, there is the main part which is called stylus. So you can see a pin coming out of this stylus. So this stylus, I'll keep it on the device, on the surface where I want to measure the surface roughness, and it will travel a short distance. So that short distance is called cutoff distance that we can also change. And it will display the surface roughness value on the screen. Along with this device, you also get a calibrator. Now this is it's written here precision reference standard, and the value RA value is 2.3 microns. So let's switch on this device. For switching on this device, press on this button, and now 00 value is shown on the screen for RA. Which is a surface roughness parameter called average surface roughness. So now I'm keeping my instrument on the reference slide, and I will press the start button. Now it will move a short distance, which is called cutoff distance, and then it will display the value of RA on the screen. Now this cutoff distance I can change for the time being. For this reading, I'm not doing any change in the cutoff distance. Now you can see the value given by the instrument is 2.536, whereas on the calibration slide it is 2.3. So clearly I can see there is a gap, and that gap is an error gap. So I should know how much is the error that this instrument is giving, and when I do the subsequent measurements, I will be taking into account that error. So error, now I know the error of this instrument, and let me do the measurements for the for another surface. I'm keeping the workpiece here. I'm keeping the slide on top of it, so it should be stable, and then I press the start button so that it will be doing the measurement. Again, it will travel a short distance, that cutoff distance, and it will be displaying the value of surface roughness RA. You can see the value of RA will appear on screen shortly, and I also know how much is the error. So 8.659 is the current value, and error also I know because I used the calibrator initially. So that error you have to subtract from the value that you get on screen. So this is how you can use this instrument. Thank you.